Brain-boosting foods that enhance memory. It's like magic. Fatty fish. Fatty fish is always at the top of the list when it comes to foods that are good for the brain, including trout, salmon, and sardines, which are all rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. About 60% of our brain is made up of fats, and half of these are omega-3s. The brain uses omega-3s to create nerve and brain cells, and these fats are essential for learning and memory. Omega-3s also have other benefits for the brain. Firstly, they can slow down age-related mental decline and reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Insufficient amounts of omega-3s are associated with learning difficulties and depression. In general, eating fish seems to have beneficial effects on health. One study in particular suggested that people who regularly ate baked or grilled fish had more gray matter in the brain. Gray matter is made up of a large portion of nerve cells that control emotions and memory. In general, fish is an excellent choice for brain health. Blueberries. Blueberries offer a number of health benefits, some of which are specific to the brain. Blueberries and other intensely colored berries like blackberries, blackcurrants, and mulberries provide anthocyanins, a group of plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Antioxidants act against both inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. It has been discovered that some of the antioxidants present in blueberries accumulate in the brain and help to improve communication between brain cells. Studies on animals reveal that blueberries help to improve memory and can also delay short-term memory loss. So, try adding some to your breakfast cereal or morning smoothie from time to time. Turmeric. Turmeric has received a lot of attention recently. This bright yellow spice is a key ingredient in curry powder and has several benefits for the brain. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, which means it can enter directly into the brain and bring benefits to the cells there. It is a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compound that has been linked to the following brain benefits. It can improve memory. Curcumin can help improve memory in people with Alzheimer's disease. It also helps to clear the amyloid plaques that are a hallmark of this disease. It contributes to the growth of new cells. Curcumin increases brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. Although more research is needed, it may also help to delay age-related mental decline and alleviate depression. The component increases dopamine and serotonin, both of which improve the symptoms of depression, just like an antidepressant. To reap all the benefits of curcumin, try cooking with curry powder, adding turmeric to potato dishes to make them golden, or even preparing turmeric tea. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain powerful antioxidants that protect the brain and body from damage by free radicals. They are also an excellent source of copper, zinc, iron, and magnesium, and each of these nutrients is important for brain health. Magnesium, for one, is essential for learning and memory. Low levels of magnesium are linked to a range of neurological diseases, including depression, migraine, and epilepsy. Zinc is a crucial element for nerve signaling. Zinc deficiency has been associated with many neurological conditions, including depression, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's disease. The brain also uses copper to help control nerve signals, and when copper levels are low, there is also a high risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Iron deficiency is also characterized by mental fog and impaired brain function. The study focuses primarily on micronutrients and not on the seeds themselves, but since pumpkin seeds are rich in them, you can certainly benefit by including them in your diet. Orange. You can get all the vitamin C you need in a day by eating a medium-sized orange. Doing so is very important for brain health because vitamin C plays a huge role in preventing mental decline. According to a 2014 review article, eating sufficient amounts of vitamin C containing foods can protect against age-related mental decline. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to combat radicals that can have a negative effect on brain cells. It also supports brain health as you age. Other good sources of vitamin C include kiwi, guava, peppers, tomatoes, and strawberries. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains cocoa, also known as cacao, a type of antioxidant present in cocoa, known as flavonoids, which are particularly important for brain health. Since the brain is highly susceptible to oxidative stress, which contributes to age-related cognitive decline and brain diseases. The flavonoids in cocoa can promote the growth of neurons and blood vessels in parts of the brain involved in learning and memory. According to a 2013 study, they can also stimulate blood flow in the brain. Some studies suggest that the flavonoid component of chocolate can reverse memory problems in snails. This test, however, has yet to be performed on humans. A 2018 study on humans also supports the idea that dark chocolate has stimulating effects on the brain. The scientist used imaging methods to observe activity in the brain after participants had eaten dark chocolate containing at least 70% cocoa. The researchers concluded that eating this type of dark chocolate can improve brain plasticity, important for learning, and can also provide other brain-related benefits. Coffee is known worldwide as a beverage that allows you to stay awake and focused. The caffeine in coffee blocks adenosine in the brain, which makes a person feel sleepy. In addition to increasing alertness, a 2018 study shows that caffeine can also increase the brain's ability to process information. Researchers found that caffeine causes a significant increase in brain entropy, or variable and complex brain activity. Coffee is also a source of antioxidants that can support brain health as you age. One study linked lifelong coffee consumption to a reduced risk of stroke, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and cognitive decline. However, caffeine can affect sleep, and doctors do not recommend it for everyone. Whole grains. Like the rest of the body, the brain needs energy to function. The ability to concentrate comes from an adequate, steady supply of energy in the form of glucose in the blood to the brain. This can be achieved by choosing whole grains that have a low glycemic index, which in plain terms means that they slowly release their energy into the bloodstream, keeping you mentally alert throughout the day. Eating inadequate carbohydrates like whole grains can lead to mental confusion and irritability. Stick to whole grains, whole grain rice, pasta, and bread for cereals. Avocado. A diet rich in healthy unsaturated fats supports the brain and combats cognitive decline. Although it may surprise many, avocados are actually a fruit. They are rich in monounsaturated fats that are good and promote healthy blood flow and support the nerves that carry information in the brain. They are rich in many of the brain's most valuable nutrients, including copper and vitamin C and E. Avocados have been linked to better brain function in the elderly. In a 2018 study conducted at Tufts University, the research monitored 40 healthy adults over the age of 50 who ate an avocado every day for a period of 6 months. The researchers found that they experienced a significant improvement in their working memory and problem-solving abilities. The study also showed that a control group in the same age range that did not eat an avocado every day did not experience the same cognitive health benefits during the study period. On a sandwich, salad, or as a dip, avocados have become a favorite food. Indulge as often as possible to help boost the power of your brain. Beans. Beans are inexpensive, convenient, and versatile, and they are the ultimate brain-friendly food. Beans are a nutrient-rich, slow-digesting starch that provides the brain with fuel in the form of glucose. Beans are full of many brain-friendly nutrients like zinc, magnesium, fiber, antioxidants, and folate. Folate is particularly essential for brain function, as a deficiency can lead to neurological disorders, including depression and cognitive deterioration. Beans provide more folate than any other food, according to Nature Review's Neuroscience. The power of beans should not be underestimated. They can be enjoyed in any form, fresh, canned, frozen, or dried, and the brain benefits are astonishing. They're antioxidant power rivals that of berries, and in fact, they offer more folate and fiber than any other food group. Broccoli. Broccoli is full of powerful plant compounds and antioxidants. It is one of these. Broccoli is also rich in vitamin K, which offers more than 100% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, in a 1-cup serving. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for the formation of sphingolipids, which are the type of fat that is heavily packed into brain cells. Some studies on the elderly suggest that there is a connection between higher vitamin K intake and better memory. In addition to vitamin K, broccoli has a good amount of compounds that give it anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant effects that can help protect the brain from some forms of damage. Nuts. Studies have shown that eating nuts can improve markers of heart health and, in turn, lead to a healthy brain. A review conducted in 2014 revealed that nuts can actually improve cognition and even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Another large study found that women who consumed nuts regularly over several years had sharper memory compared to those who did not eat nuts. Healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E are just some of the many nutrients that contribute to brain health. Vitamin E itself protects cell membranes from damage by free radicals and helps to slow the rate of mental decline. While all nuts are good for the brain, nuts may have an additional advantage as they also release omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs. You've probably heard that the cholesterol in eggs is a concern, but now it is believed that you can safely eat an egg a day. Finnish researchers conducted a study in 2017 in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and found that eating eggs can boost brain power, and most of the benefit may be due to choline, which is an essential nutrient important for metabolization. The researchers monitored around 2,500 men without dementia for about 22 years. Not only were regular egg eaters less likely to develop dementia or Alzheimer's, but it was associated with better performance on cognitive tests. Let us know about your practical experience regarding today's topic by writing it in the comments. And do not hesitate to ask questions, we will respond to the best of our ability. Do not forget to share your opinion with us and leave a comment. If you also leave a like, it would be great. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video.